That's another thing I just wanted to point out, besides all the cute little critters that are running around in the spring, now that it's here, is that this is the awesome part about nomadic life. Finding free camping grounds and going from the ocean to the middle of the foothills, oak trees, and squirrels with a little toot, right? Where's he at? Okay, whatever. We were talking some shit a minute ago. Anyway, like I said, BLM, it's all over. Find it. It'd be awesome if I ran into somebody someday that was like, dude, I saw one of your videos. BLM, it's awesome. I did it. Do it. Do the trip. Do the road trip. Just find some free camping. All you need is food, water, and gas, and a vehicle you can sleep in. God bless.